A sequence of numbers is shown. Find an expression for the nth term of the sequence. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to copy the sequence down here. And the first thing that we're going to do is look to see what it's going up in. And you can see that each time we're going up by 7. That means it's something to do with the 7 times tables, because the 7 times tables goes up in 7s. Now the 7 times tables is 7n. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, but this isn't the 7 times tables, so let's have a look at it. We've got 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So it's not the 7 times tables. You can see that there's something happening each time. It's actually 5 below the 7 times tables, so we have to take away 5 from the 7 times tables. 7 take away 5 is 2, 14 take away 5 is 9, 21 take away 5 is 16, 28 take away 5 is 23, 35 take away 5 is 30. So it's the 7 times tables, 5 below it, so it's 7n, take away 5, and that's my nth term. So we're going to work out the nth term of this sequence, and I'm just going to copy the sequence again. This time we're not going up, we're going down, but you can still see that we're going down by the same amount each time. So we're going down in 3, so it's the negative 3 times tables, so negative 3n. Now the negative 3 times table starts at negative 3, so it would be negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, negative 12, negative 14. Well, where have we started then? How much above the negative 3 times tables have we started? Think about it on a number line. Here's negative 3, here's 10, here's 0. You can see there's 3 below, 0. There's 10 above 0. So altogether, that's actually 13. We've started 13 above negative 3. So it's the negative 3 times tables, but 13 above it. Negative 3n plus 13.